No parking, fire out, eh? So I gotta walk over here, is what you're telling me. No problemo. 9:55, check, cause I gotta walk. I'm looking for Anthony at 450. Hello. Good morning. Good morning. How you doing?
I'm doing okay. How are you?
You want me to take my shoes off?
No, you're just going here, so it isn't fun. Yes, I don't know how much they tell you before you come on.
Something about a nest?
Okay, so yeah, the Nest yesterday gave us an error code saying there was no power going to the red wire.
Alright.
So I called Nest and I'm like, hey, my furnace is coming out when I turn on the heat, and they did a few tests, and then they ended up having me take off the unit and just pull the wires together, and it still wouldn't come on. So that's at that point they said we bypassed the
Thermostat's working is what they're saying.
yeah.
Alright.
So they're thinking it's something electrical. I guess you can take it from there.
How long have you had the Nest in?
About a year and a little bit, a year, 2 months or so.
How do you got it? Does it got batteries?
I think it does have a battery.
Because typically the Nests have to be run off of a 5-wire system, and you only have a 4-wire system. That's what I ask.
Okay.
By me doing this, I just disconnected your thermostat from control, and I now have control of the furnace. Pretty much.
Yeah.
Now the next step would be to go up to the thermostat and do the same thing up at the thermostat with the wires hooked up.
Okay.
And if I can get it to run upstairs, we're good. Now the switch on this furnace was off.
Oh, what?
Yes. I did not turn it off. Okay.
That's why I called you about this.
I'm just gonna make sure the blower kicks on here,
Yeah.
and then I'm gonna put the thermostat wires back on. It could have just been this somebody flipped that switch off.
It's so odd. It's like I removed all these voices. They were sitting right here for you, so nobody could ever reach it. Everybody, I call you.
Blower went on, so. Boy. You got the phone on you where you can control it or see the stat?
To the top line.
Alright.
The thermostat doesn't have enough power. Oh wait, just give up.
It might take like a couple of seconds, 30, 90 seconds for it to.
It's 46
That's cold,
It's
yeah.
cold, yeah. It's not the good.
It's igniting.
It sucks, man. Yesterday, this happened at like 10 a.m. It just went out, and I put in a ticket at Nest saying, hey, I have an issue with it. And they didn't call me back till like 6:30. What the hell?
Wow.
At that point, I called, to get service. Yeah, it was like, I don't know, $100 more than I asked for the bottle, right?
Yeah.
Hours. So at that point, I decided, you know what, do it. Because we have some space heaters and stuff, so
It's not too bad then, yeah.
But still, all that would have been avoided if they would have called me back to me within an hour or so. You know?
They should have been able to tell you that, I mean, they knew it wasn't getting power. They should have told you to check the switch on the furnace, because that's, you know what I mean? When you call, did you call DTE by chance? Because when you call DTE, that's what they, you know, when it's not working, they'll tell you to leave it off, just because what if that gas valve's opened up, or what if something's going on, you know, they don't want to be liable at that point. Or a lot of heating and cooling companies will tell you to leave the switch off.
Yeah. When you walked in here,